Hello guys, welcome back to the workshop of Hoston Spinning. Within this period, many of our customers ordered various models of CNC metal spinning machine for different purposes. Today, let's take an overview of all these machines. This is a horizontal style CNC metal spinning machine, WLH-DRS 1050, supplied to European market. Okay, let's continue. This is a casted machine frame for the heavy-duty type CNC metal spinning machine model WLH-SRS 1050. Now we will see two sets of WLH-DRS 650. This is a previous design which we have taken videos previously. Here is the improved model. It's equipped with Siemens numeric 828D CNC controller. The supporting arm is very convenient for the programming and operation. The second improvement part for this machine is that we make it full cover type. We have introduced the main parts and the main purposes for this model in our previous videos. And the only difference for this machine is that it's equipped with the 6-position tool post. Let's check in the backside. Here you can see we make the hydraulic station like this way. Check this model. This is also the double roller CNC metal spinning machine, model WLH-DRS 850. It's equipped with the Siemens 808D CNC controller. Here is also the 6-position tool post with different toolings, like the spinning roller with different radius. And this is the tool for the edge rolling and the cutting for different purposes. Here you can see this is the support rack for the blank circle. And here is the reserved part for the rejection. This way. This is a machine frame for the WLH-DRS 850 waiting for the installation. Here is our light-duty CNC metal spinning machine, single roller model WLL-SRS 650. And here you can see this is with the 3-position tool post. For more information, welcome to visit our website www.hostonspinning.com or subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your watching and Happy New Year!